It is a nice sunny Saturday and life was cooperating today. Let's go see what we can find. A few hundred feet off the shoreline, I noticed a wake pattern in the sandy bottom. I followed it to what first appeared to be a large dolphin. As I got closer, it got bigger and bigger. That's no dolphin, that's a gray whale. Gray whales get their name from their mottled gray coloration. It's thought that this color pattern provides camouflage in the murky waters where they feed. They actually have two blowholes instead of one, and if you look closely, they blow heart-shaped spouts when they exhale. These whales are constantly on the move. The entire population of 22,000 animals undertake one of the longest annual migrations of any mammal, traveling over 10,000 miles round trip. They migrate back and forth between their feeding grounds in the Arctic and their breeding grounds in the Sea of California off the Baja Peninsula. Luckily for me, they tend to stay closer to shore. This provides some protection from predators like orcas and great white sharks, which prefer deeper waters. Because of this, they are one of the most commonly spotted whales from the shoreline here in California, although this was the first time I spotted one with my drone. They are baleen whales, meaning they filter food through baleen plates in their mouths and are primarily bottom feeders, scooping up invertebrates from the seafloor. But most of their feeding is done in the Arctic, and they generally don't dally as they pass the California coastline. Gray whales were once hunted to the brink of extinction. Due to conservation efforts, the population along the western coast of the United States has had a remarkable recovery, and their numbers have increased to the point they are no longer considered endangered. While this impressive creature is thriving, humans are still the biggest threat to their survival. Entanglement in fishing gear and vessel strikes with commercial shipping kill many whales every year. As this guy swam into deeper water, he started to dive deep, making it hard to track him. Eventually, he vanished into the abyss below. What a memorable experience.